Welcome back, guys. Here's my camera rig with the Kodak 3ds M2 on camera mic, the Fieldwood Plat 6E Tilta FFT07 mini follow focus, and the ZG Cine VP1 V-mount battery. Also, I've got here the VMaxit 99 watt hour V-mount battery. Today's video is about the Falcam F22 monitor mount. This sound is just crazy. I can mount it regularly like so, or just backwards, or I can do this here. I can just do this here. That's crazy. Now the monitor is 90 degrees on the left side. I can technically do it on the other side too, but I've got here my Kodak 3ds M2 on camera mic, so we can also do it on the other side like so, and just tilt it to the left, and here you go. Here's the monitor mount, which is adjustable. That's awesome.